The organ pedal project is now complete. This assembly of pipe organ pedals was given to me by an artist friend in New Mexico, and when asked if I wanted it, I immediately said yes, because I was envisioning this. This is really effective because of the top that I had had already made out of a walnut slab. It was a test piece for another project, but this has come out really well. Plus, it has lighting inside. So here's when you light it. It can change from warm colors to cooler colors. It can go down and up. Again, warm colors, down and up. Cool 100%, warm 100%. It's a really remarkable piece, and now to find the appropriate home for it.